Hi everyone, glad to have you here. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change the upload quality in the Rumble app using an Android phone. If you've been struggling with low-quality video uploads or just want better control over your content resolution, this step-by-step guide is for you. First, open the Rumble app on your Android phone. Next, tap on the account option located at the bottom. Then, click on the settings icon, which you'll find in the top right corner. After that, scroll down until you find the Upload section. Now, tap on Upload Quality. This is where you can adjust how your videos are uploaded to the platform. Finally, select the quality option that suits your needs best. You may see options like 480p, 720p, 1080p. And that's it. You've now successfully changed your upload quality on the Rumble app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials on Android apps and settings.